Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to add watermark to Google Docs. A watermark is often used to add a visual element to a document such as a logo, copyright, custom text, and other important information. By adding watermark to your documents, you can ensure that your work is secure and prevents it from being copied or shared without authorization. And here's how to add watermark, whether it's a picture or text on Google Docs. Alright. On your computer, open the document you want to insert a watermark. After that, click the Insert menu and then select Watermark. The watermark menu will appear on the right side of the screen. You can use either the image or text. If you want to insert a picture as a watermark, click Select Image and then click Browse. By the way, you can also pick a picture from sources like Google Drive, Photos, or Images, but for now, I'm going to upload one from my device. Once uploaded, the picture will appear across pages. You might scale up or down the image if needed. Lastly, click Done. And there you have it, you have added a watermark to your document. If you want to add a piece of text instead, select Text and then type in the text as your watermark. The watermark should appear right away. Under the formatting section, you can customize the font type, size, thickness, and many others. Additionally, the watermark can be positioned beneath or in front of the text. Once everything looks alright, click Done. As mentioned earlier, the watermark will appear on all pages of the document and it will also appear on a newly added page. If you need to remove the watermark, just go to Insert. Under the drop-down menu, click Watermark. And then click Remove Watermark and click Done. The watermark has been removed. Anyway, I hope this video helps you, and as always, thank you so much for watching.